How to remove title from a WordPress page. Let me first explain the problem and then let me show you the solution. First, let's go to a WordPress website. This is my own website. And let's go to pages here and then add a page. So it's going to jump to the Gutenberg editor and then it's going to suggest some pages here as you can see on my screen. I'm going to use any one of them. Let's just add here test as title. And if we check the tree in the page, the HTML tree, so we have just the paragraph, which is this element here, but we don't have an H1 here, which means we can't see the header or the headline in the page tree. Let me save as a draft. Let me show you how, and let me add another element. I'm going to add here under cover. Let me search for a cover here under the patterns. And so I'm going to use this one here. And as you can see, the problem, there is this area between the header and the cover that I added. And that's why it's annoying and I want to remove it. Now let me save again as a draft. And let me go back to the dashboard. And here we have the draft of the test page. And let me go to quick edit. And here under templates, we need to change the default template to a template page, no title. And now let's update and let's edit the page. Or let's first preview the page. And you can see when we preview the page, the title is gone because we are using a different template, a template without title. And if we go back to the draft, so if I'm going to change the template to default template, let me update, and then let's go to preview. And as you can see here, we have the title in the middle between the cover and the menu or the header of the page, which doesn't look good. So it's better to use one without title. And that's how to remove the title. You just need to go to quick edit, use a different template, page, no title, and that's it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.